What if the things you do to relax are the exact things ruining your focus, your discipline, and your future? Most people won't even realize this until it's too late. This is holding you back. Everyone says, have hobbies, enjoy life. But no one tells you this. Some hobbies don't build you. They slowly destroy you. And the scary part, they feel normal. They feel harmless. That's why people stay stuck for years. There are 5 destructive hobby patterns, and most people are trapped in at least 3. 1. Endless entertainment. Gaming, streaming, scrolling. Hours disappear, and you gain nothing in return. Relaxation turns into addiction. If that sounds like you, like this video right now. Don't scroll past this. 2. Escaping reality. You don't use hobbies to grow, you use them to hide. Instead of fixing your life, you distract yourself from it. 3. No skill growth. If your hobby doesn't improve you, mentally, physically, or financially, it's just time consumption. If you're still watching, subscribe now. This is where most people click off. 4. Overconsumption. You watch more than you create. You learn, but never apply. That imbalance keeps you stuck. 5. Comfort addiction. You only do what feels easy. Nothing challenging, nothing uncomfortable. And that's exactly why nothing changes. Now here's the shift. Don't miss this part. You don't need to quit hobbies. You need to upgrade them. Replace passive with active. Easy with challenging, consuming with creating. Read to learn, not escape. Train your body, build discipline, learn skills that increase your value. Create instead of just watching. If you're serious about changing, comment upgrade and share this. Because your future isn't built only by your work. It's built by what you do in your free time. And that's where most people lose. If you ignore this, nothing changes. But if you fix it, everything changes. Subscribe, because average habits create average lives.